This is the earliest I have ever woken up for a tournament. It is currently 3:25 in the morning. We have a 2-hour drive ahead of us down to Lake Mendota in Madison, Wisconsin to fish in the Wisconsin Elite Series. So me and Bennett Hosell, my fishing partner, have done the Wisconsin Elite Series. Last year we did 3 tournaments and this is our 4th. There's 5 tournaments a year and we do the ones that we can. This series of tournaments is pretty competitive due to the fact that it's so big and it's a little bit more money to get into these tournaments as well. So the payout is also higher. So depending on the amount of boats, we're fishing for a few $1,000s here, which is pretty big. I'd be really excited to win some money today. We've been close in the past and we've never actually fished this lake for this tournament, but with practice going so well like you saw, I'm really confident we're just gonna go out there, fish our butts off for the next 8 hours. And yeah, I'm really excited to go down there and catch some fish. So I'm gonna get the boat hooked up and I'm gonna see you guys out on the road. Alright guys, we made it out here to the landing. It is currently 5:45, so we have a little bit of time before the tournament starts, but we got everything ready. We came here a little early just so we would get into the boat landing on time. Currently, we've seen a lot of boats here already, so I think it's gonna be a pretty full tournament. So we're gonna get this in the water and I'll see you guys out on the lake. Yeah. 21. All right. All right. No. It's not planing. What the? This is not happening. It's not happening right now. So I said so much for having a tether. Who knows that it doubled as a flathead screwdriver. If this fixes it, pray to anybody who's listening. Please work. I don't think it did. Let's go! I say we just net every fish, right? Yeah. Okay. Oh, casting it in the wind does not work. There has to be. Bite. Keeper. Okay, you ready? Let's come close. I don't want it to jump. 2 pounder, 2 pounder, get into that. Let's go, Bennett. It's like what, 1 3/4 2 pounder? There we go. Look at that thing right there. There you go. Oh yeah, Panoptics, and then it was nibble, nibble, nibble. Just, it was all over it. Bite. There we go, not as big. I don't even know if it'll keep. It's got fight now, just net it. No, not quite as nice. But they fight so hard, dude. Oh my God. There you go. Not a giant, but it's a fish. There we go. Another one. Over 14, so that's good. There you go, good fish. Oh, big one, big one, big one. Oh my God, Bennett, get the net. Get the net. Get it. Get in that. Get it.
I got a fish.
No, right here. 3 pound freaking smallmouth, dude. Oh my God. Yeah, dude. So I'm thinking even if we want to throw around some deep diving crankbaits, I'd probably do it too. Let her eat it. Decent.
decent, yeah. It's fighting good. But little ones fight really hard, so decent.
Nope.
They fight so hard. There you go, little guy. Oh, didn't even get it on camera. There you go. 2.5 pounder right there, maybe 3. Just caught another one. For some reason the camera decided to turn off on its own, so let's put a new battery in, get it in the live well. Yeah, that's a good fish. Digging.
Good.
It didn't snap off, it pulled the hook, so I didn't know if it was a fish or not, so I was just jigging through it. Got it again. Not a big one. I think I got a smaller one, but I got one. Just pulled hook. God dang it! That was 2. Got it. Yep.
It's a nice one.
Yeah, it's a nice one. Let's go, Bennett. That's a good one too. Skinny guy. Not as good as I thought. That's okay. There you go. Biggin?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah. That's a biggin. That's a biggin. We're good. It's cold, dude. There we go. Look at that fish. Freaking 3 pound. Probably 2.5.
Dude, they're gonna be close.
Grab the scale.
Your rod.
Just went in.
Yeah. Slip your rod.
Where'd it go?
Right there.
Okay. See it?
Yeah, go there.
Bro, that is so messed up, man. How did that even happen, dude?
Dude, a fish just ripped that thing.
To rip a freaking rod in the water had to have been big. Monster. Okay. Yeah, it's big. There you go. They're right there.
This one's 2.5.
Fish.
Nice one.
Can't tell. Decent. Is it good enough to keep? No, you're good. Yeah, spit it. That's fine. Yep. Nice. There you go. Good. Right on that structure, right?
Oh my god.
Us, dude.
Nice one.
Little. First rock. Bam. Rock bass. That's a fish. No. Woohoo! Rock bass. Oh, I think it's a smallmouth. Chonkin rock bass. Guys, just so you guys can see, I just caught another one. So we just upgraded another fish with this thing. Freaking 2 pounder. Look at that right there. Absolute golden smallmouth. So far, every single one of our fish is over 2 pounds, which is absolutely insane. Well, one of them is 1.9 pounds. Everything else is over 2, so we have a pretty good bag going, and we're gonna keep fishing until the tournament is over. One just bit it. Okay, net right now. Ready? There it is.
That one's gonna be close.
It's over 1.9. Okay, not bigger. Going back. Here we go, guys. 1.7 pounds. Too small. Going back. No. Unless it's not fighting at all. They just spit it real fast. There's one. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, underneath. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Yeah! 17-inch smallmouth, but probably the skinniest smallmouth I've ever seen. Look at that thing. No gut on it. Would have been a monster. Not quite. Let's put her back. It's not with you. That was the only time I've been out on the chain this year. Decent. No, you're good. They all fight really hard though. I mean, this morning that would have been a nice one. There we go. Good old 13.5, maybe 14-incher. Send her back. Back flip. Big one, though. There it is. That's our maybe 3. That's big. 275. I don't even show it off to you guys, but just caught a 2 almost 3 pounder, 2 3/4 pounder. My hook's still in here, but that doesn't matter.
no.
Okay, it's not over 2.
Monster. Yeah.
No, it's going down. Dude, okay, here you go.
What was that boat number?
21.
21, weighing for big.
Come and visit
2.96. 2.96. Would you get them on over there? The drop top? Using your active target or what? You got that? That's one, isn't it? Right? 11.39. 11.39.
Championship, wait, we got a dream, next to the team, yeah, we can handle